to pronouns what you'd like to be called. We also love us a lurker, and you do not need to say one single thing ever to be part of the crowd. Same goes in the Discord. But yeah, she lives where there's a bunch of people, like in California, and so she is going, and also she lives in California, so it's not going to be like negative a million degrees and like snow up to her ass cheeks like if she lived in Wisconsin or something. But she's going to like a street fair thing, like an art fair, and apparently all the cafes and stuff stay open late, and there's art stuff and like food vendors. So she's going to go do that with a friend. And that's the one person we found so far who has shoe plans. I feel like I always used to have plans like way in advance. Like you'd know what the friend group was doing, you'd know like what the plan was, or if we were having a house party this year or whatever. And now I'm like, New Year's, and then I'm like, wait, that's a federal holiday. I get a day off of work. Yay, New Year's Day. But yeah, I think everyone is kind of just like, but not in a bad way, just worn out, worn thin. It really all comes back to what Bilbo Baggins said. I think it was Bilbo. Someone will correct me if I'm wrong. But that he was feeling thin, like butter spread over too much bread. And I think a lot of people are just feeling thin right now, like butter spread over too much bread. It's just, I'm here, I'm doing the thing, but, at the same time. So yeah. Look! And also, like, a drink glass I pulled out of the cupboard is like the extra heavy one. It has like a barrel type pattern on the bottom, and it's like extra thick. And I'm like, ow, my little arm. Whew. All right. I vote. Let's start squeezing these mofos and see how they look. We know we want a triangle idea. And so when we do things like this, see how they have the coil in the, like, right now the coil is kind of centered. If we want to do like a triangle, if you look at this one, this is a much, much tighter coil than we have, and they made it different, but the eye, so to speak, is basically pulled off to one side, like off to the end of where the pedal will be. And these are loose enough that we don't know what's going to happen if we do that. But that's okay. We're going to try it out. So the way we do that is we just put a pin in the middle. And now we've set where the top of the middle is. So then we're going to make the bottom of it. And now we have a loose eyeball type shape. That looks like a pizza slice. We want it narrower. Hang on. So at this point, we're just kind of squeezing it very gently because we're not sure yet how we want this to look, especially since it's the first one. It's a little bit wonky. It's a little bit kooky. Oh, I'm totally okay with that. Ooh, that's cute. Okay, what do we think? Because I think if we have 6 of those, because we want the flowers, because we're looking for, we want